Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an order from Craspire, and I have unboxed from them before. They reached out to me again and asked if I would be interested in doing some videos with their products, and I was more than happy to oblige because I do have some plans to do some wax seals. My son is graduating this year, and I ordered in a bunch of cards to with his photos and to show that he has graduated and to congratulate him and to send that to family and friends. So I wanted to seal the envelopes with a wax seal since it's such an official sort of announcement type of letter. And I also really enjoy using seals for Happy Mail and other like scrapbook type projects. So what I ordered this time was, previously if you watched my videos, you'd see that I had like the most bizarre contraption set up to be able to melt my wax. So I thought I would benefit from having a proper instrument that I could use to melt the wax. So that's what this is going to be here. And I did manage to make it work, but it was really awkward. So I went ahead and ordered a new one. Now this one's got a little chip out of it, which won't affect the performance of it. There are prettier ones. I chose the least expensive one because I wanted to save some of the money for this other stamp set and die. So I ordered the one that will be functional, but it wasn't the cutest. They had a really cute one. This just has some glue on it. They had a really cute one that was pink that was really calling my name and it was tempting me. But I really wanted some of the other things here, so I went ahead and got this set. And the reason why I like this set so much as well is because it also comes with this block that I can use to create my seals on it directly. And then it also has these stickers. I'll take this one off since it was sort of kind of falling off a little bit anyway. And you can see there are several sheets of them, about 5 sheets of them. And this actually goes on the back of your seal, and then you peel it off, and then it allows you the opportunity to create, this is basically like a glue dot for the back of your seal. So that was really neat. So you can do your seals in advance on there, and then you can use these dots to adhere them to your project, which is really nice because when you seal an envelope, there's nothing worse than having like a beautifully address stamped envelope to putting your seal on and then having it not be exactly the way you want. So this allows you to have some ability to have the freedom of creating the seal first, make sure it's exactly the way you want it, and then go ahead and attach it after the fact. So I like that. So again, they did have a really gorgeous pink set of these marble coaster type discs that I could have got as well. But I thought this is a set and it comes with everything that I need, including the stickers. That really drew me into that. The second package that I chose here, and they have so many amazing stamps to choose from. It was really hard to pick. But I went with this set because it had the most diverse sort of themes, and it came in this like adorable book that I could totally reuse in another project if I wanted to, because it's such a neat book. Now let's see how this opens up. Oh, this way here. So you get the one wooden stamp, and then you just change out the images, and I'm going to show you a close-up of all the different images that came with this specific set. And it was really reasonably priced to get this all like this. So here is this first image, and you can see that could be so many things. Like, it's just very simplistic. It's, you know, doves are often a sign of hope. So if you wanted to have just a really cute stamp with a very versatile image, that is one that I thought was very versatile. This one you can see here, that close up there, it's got like a little critter inside. I don't know if it's a little cat or dog, but again, it's just a simple geometric pattern and a cute little image inside that one. Let's see the next one here. I looked at so many. This is almost like a surprise. I'm trying to remember what they all are. The owl is the one I absolutely remembered. This was a big part of me choosing this selection, was because owls are one of my favorite images, animals, birds, and I was really drawn to this owl image here. Okay, let's see what this one has. Okay, this one's cute. It's a cat sitting in the moonlight. Just beautiful. Really, really cute. You could see that being a fun stamp. Here's another one. It's a bird in a cage. Beautiful, two birds sitting there. And then, last but not least, is this image here. And you can see you've got a bird sitting in a tree with potentially the sun in the background there. So yeah, so I really liked the versatility of this set, that because like a lot of things were very specific. Like I could have got a graduation set, but then what do I do with the graduation set after, where I could easily use any of these for, like this one in particular was the one I was thinking I could use for graduation, because you know, it's just you're soaring into your future on a new path, and it's yeah, it's just a cute image. I also do have a stamp with our last name initial, an L for Lightwood, and I could use that. So there's the kit there. So that's the set that I am going to do some videos with there. And then the other thing that I noticed that they have, and it was so hard to choose from which dies I wanted, because there were so many really good themes, and I've been using dies quite a bit more regularly. But this one I thought was the most versatile, because I often get these samplers, and in them I have all sorts of fun papers, and I thought it would be really neat, because they're just small little snippets of paper. I thought it would be really neat to create dresses for this little girl, and she could be a focal point for a card, and with the fun pattern papers. And I find that in general, like I find pattern papers so pretty, but usually too busy to use like as a background piece. So to be able to just have a nice busy patterned paper as a dress, I think is just super cute. So I'm really looking forward to creating some things with those. So that's everything that I got from Craspire. I will leave a link down below so that you can take a look and see everything that they have. They were quick to arrive. They were really good quality the last time I used their stamps. I will show you what I got from them last time. So that's everything that I got from Craspire. I will leave a link down below so that you can check it out yourself. They have all sorts of waxes and the tools and the stamps to do everything that you need for wax sealing, but they also have some paper crafting tools and stamps and papers and stuff as well. So I'll leave that link down below. Stay tuned for what I am going to create with these. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.